You are going to love the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, cloth seat trim. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.